In this video, we will be looking at how to create a pivot table using tables. For example, I am having this data of HR data which I have downloaded from Kaggle website. You can actually get this data in my sources also, and at the same time you can also log into Kaggle where you can get a lot of data sets. So now what I have done, I have created this as a table, and now creating a pivot table out of it, it's a very simple task. Just go into the insert options and go into pivot table. In pivot table, just select a table or range. So here I am selecting a table 1. That's it. You don't have to select the total number of sales and all everything, and just um, you don't require to select the sales or range. Only just select the table name, and that is all what is required for the Excel to create a pivot table. So this is how a simple pivot table is being created using table.